Pelton Crane Male Quick Connect Fitting Gray. Question: where do I get Pelton Crane Male Quick Connect Fitting Gray? Answer: you may get the Pelton Crane Male Quick Connect Fitting Gray in the link below. Details includes fitting and o-ring, part RPO304/3/8, 9.5 mm, hose barb, 0.28 flow body material, polypropylene, seals material, EPDM operating temperature, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius to 71 degrees Celsius, working pressure, vacuum to 105 psi fits, female quick connect, part #RPF426, on front panel / drain tube assembly kit, part #RPK431. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.